Yo guys, what's up? Today is Sunday. Markets are closed, but options assignments have happened. Don't panic. I've been assigned. You saw last week that XL, I had to put $20 put, and it's down to $12.12. But as you can see over here, my total gain is minus $400. So how is that possible? See, it's $12. I got assigned to 20. How is it possible I'm only down $12? My cost basis is $16.31. I was also assigned Smith & Wesson and Outdoor Brands. They were called away. So let's go over here. Transactions. You can see that I was assigned $2,000. Look at that, $20 a share. I was also assigned Smith & Wesson at $20 a share because I had that put. But I like Smith & Wesson, so I'm okay with it at that price. I think it's gone up. Very bullish on that right now with the way the current administration's handling guns, ammo shortage. Gun stores are cleaned out. So I'm just kind of playing that. You can see I was called out, Smith & Wesson. It's okay because I got it pretty cheap. And American Outdoor Brands was free. It was a spin-off from Smith & Wesson, so not a big deal. So basically, been a lot of options assignments. Don't panic when you get one. If you don't really want to own the stock, you can close the option before you get assigned on that Friday when it expires. You can try to roll it, like I've shown you many times, or you can just take the stock. Now, my plan for next week, I think, is to go in on XL and do a spread. So I'll sell another call. I'll sell a call against this, just above where my cost basis is. And then I will go in and I will sell another put. So I'll just make more money on it. Same thing with Smith & Wesson. I might do that again, just to increase cash flow on this account. Now here's one little feature on this account that I just found. The app updated about a week or two ago, and this is a nice feature. So you go to View Performance Chart. You can see the kind of interest that you get. So over the last methodology, you can see I've done rather well with my percentage interest. You can compare it against the Dow. Dow has risen significantly. My account's done much better using this method. So I just wanted to show you guys that there are actual results that we're getting with this method of the selling cash covered puts and covered calls. So I think it's a pretty good way to go about building your account. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you have any other stocks you think I should be doing, or any other methods you want to see, more advanced methods, options, let me know that too in the comments below. Alright guys.